Today, I'll show you how to depart from Kansai Airport. Taking the JR, or Nankai, line to Kansai Airport. Arrived at Kansai Airport Station. After exiting the gate, the left leads to Terminal 1, and the right to Terminal 2, Peach Airlines. This time, we're heading left, toward Terminal 1. You'll see Terminal 1 in no time. Here we are, Terminal 1. Let's head to the 4th floor, International Departures. Ignoring the elevator. Going for the emptier escalator. Made it to the departure floor. Counters of every airline, lined up. Checked in and dropped off my bags. After security and immigration, we're now in the duty-free area. Walking past luxury duty-free shops. Gates 1 to 21 and 101 to 105 are to the left. And gates 22 to 38 are to the right. Checking the signs along the way. Heading to the wing shuttle station. Boarding the shuttle. Let's go. Just 2 minutes to the mid-station. Getting off the wing shuttle and heading to the boarding gate. Now boarding. Heading in from gate 28. And we're taking off. Wishing you a great journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.